Hi guys, in this lecture we will see the right join. So the right join is just the reverse of the left join that we saw in the previous lecture. So as the name suggests, right join returns all the records from the right table and the matched records from the left table, and the result is null when there is no match. So as you can see in this Venn diagram here, we are seeing all the records from the right table, that is the table 2, and the matched records from the left table, which is this intersection right here, and this all white area here is a null because there is no match. So let's go back to our example again in the console and let's try this out. So we just saw the left join in the previous lecture. Let's just change it to right join to see what we get. Right join, and same example, same everything. Let's see what's happening here and what we're gonna get. So as you can see in this statement, we have right join. So we are going to get all the records from the rightmost table, that's the orders table, and the matched records from the left table, this one here, and a null if there is no match from the customers table. So let's try this out. Let me just save it first. Source. SQL. Awesome. So as you can see, we have all the records from the rightmost table here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the records here. And what's the rightmost table again? Rightmost table was the orders table. This one here, the orders table. So all the records 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're getting the same records 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we are getting all the matched records from the customers table. So that's it for right join, guys. Always remember, you're going to get all the records from the rightmost table and the matched records from the left table when you use a right join.